Hey, I'm Isaiah. Welcome to another Maker Monday. Today we're going to be designing, painting, and 3D printing some beautiful hanging planters with a self-watering base. I have this one right in front of me, and here's one a little fresher off the printer. You can see they're perfect for succulents, for pothos. Let's just get right into it. Well guys, thank you so much for joining me for another Maker Monday, and make sure you stop by the Makerspace and make something great, because you can. Alright, see you next time.